Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been quite a while since I have uploaded a video. Not because I haven't been busy, because I have. I've made hundreds of cards probably in the intervening time. I just haven't uploaded them. So anyway, so I'm here today to show you some cards I made with Simon Says Stamp card kits. I already packaged a few of them, so I'm afraid you might get a little of the glossy cellophane envelopes that I use to package my cards, but hopefully we can avoid that a little bit. So thanks for joining me today. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe link down below and then press the bell icon to be notified of all of my future uploads. And hopefully they will be more regularly coming than they have been. But in the last few weeks I was reorganizing, cleaning out my home office slash art studio. And as I was doing so, I came across a big box in which I had just thrown a bunch of stuff at some point, trying to get it off my desk probably. And I came across two card kits from 2017. I am not kidding. That's not a mistake when I say that. One was October of 2017. The other one was November of 2017. That's kind of the timeline when things started to not go well for me, so that makes sense. But anyway, so I took those kits out and made some cards with them. This first card is from elements that came with the October 2017 kit, which was called Brushstrokes, I believe. And I remember when I ordered it, or when I even received it at first, I was like, oh wow, this is so cool. It has so many cool things in it. And then it just sat there in a box for over 2 years. So I'm so glad I pulled it out, because it really does have a lot of neat things in it, including these papers. All of the paper, pattern paper in the kit is done in shades of ivory, navy blue, blush pink, and then a lot of them have rose gold accents, including this one. And I'm going to tilt it just a little bit. Hopefully I'm not blinding you so you can see it. It also came with navy blue Simon Says Stamp embossing powder. And so I embossed one of the sentiments from the stamp set on the card. Just wanted to say, you were amazing. Thank you. And I may have written something on the inside. Let's see. Oh, nope, this one's blank inside. So just to give you some idea, after I make cards, I package them pretty much right away, because I do have an Etsy shop, and I'll link that down below. And this way they're ready to go if anybody places an order. So I slide the card and its envelope into a cellophane package, and I get these from clearbags.com, by the way. I stamp the back of the card with my branding stamp for artlabdesigns.etsy.com. I put in one of my business cards, and then I always put a label on the back that says what the inside sentiment is, because at some point I hope to sell in local boutiques and shops, and maybe even do some craft shows. And this way, so people won't be opening the bags, they can see what the sentiment inside is. So this is one of the cards I made. Here is a second one from October, the October 2017 kit. And again, that rose gold stripe, it's almost copper. It's just beautiful. It's part of the paper. And I stamped one of the Brushstroke stamps in gray, and then used the navy blue embossing powder over it to say happy birthday. And then used some sequins that I don't think came with the kit. I think I already had these in my stash, and they're kind of a coppery rose goldy color. And this one says inside, "You are loved," and I did it on a piece of gray cardstock which came with the kit. Here's another one of those beautiful pattern papers. This one it really is Brushstrokes in the copper rose gold color. It almost looks like a abstract cityscape too. And I embossed "You're going to rock this," and on the inside it says, "You got this." And this was on a piece of ivory cardstock. Here I used 3 of the pattern papers, the floral one with those rose gold flowers, a striped navy one that's enhanced with the foiling, and then I embossed Just Wanted to Say You're Amazing in rose gold embossing powder that I had already, and used some of those sequins. And I did this one on a navy card base, and the inside says "You Got This." I apparently really like this particular saying from the stamp set in the kit. Just wanted to say you're amazing, because I used it 3 or 4 times. This piece of pattern paper is a little less foiled than the others that I've shown you, but I really like it. It's very subtle. It's got this sort of gradient from blush to ivory up here. And again, I use rose gold embossing powder for the sentiment and the heart. And inside it says "You Got This," again, on a gray card base, like a smoke gray. And then finally, I got this idea directly from Laura Basson, also known as Laura Fedora, who uploads a lot, not only to her own YouTube channel, but also to the Simon Says Stamp blog and their channel. She used this particular kit. Actually, it was either her or Christine Warner. Now I can't remember who it was. But either way, they used the Brushstroke stamps and stamped them in a rainbow of colors. As you can see, I used Distress Oxide inks for this. And then I heat embossed the Just Wanted to Say You're Amazing sentiment in white over that, and put a few iridescent sequins on the front. And inside, "You Got This," all on a white card base. I popped it up on a little bit of foam. And that was it for October. I may have done a couple of others that I've already sent out, but that was it. And I completed these in April of 2020, or maybe March, maybe toward the end of March, because now that we're all under quarantine for COVID-19, seemed like the perfect time to catch up, clean up, organize, all that kind of stuff. So this was from October 2017 Simon Says Stamp card kit called Brushstrokes. Stay tuned. I'm going to upload another video right after this one for the November 2017 cards that I made with that card kit. Thanks for watching. Bye.